For the best price, click the link in the description /N. Are you tired of carrying around a bulky camera that weighs you down on your next photography adventure /N? But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the Fujifilm X-E5. It's incredibly lightweight and compact /N. Therefore, I'm excited to share with you 3 things you need to know about this mirrorless wonder /N. Deep dive. Let's start with the basics. The Fujifilm X-E5 is a 4K resolution camera that boasts an APS-C sensor /N. But what really caught my attention was its impressive ISO range of up to 51,200 /N, which means you can take stunning photos even in low-light conditions /N. Now let's talk about the autofocus system. It's incredibly fast and accurate /N, with a whopping 425 phase detection points that ensure your subject stays sharp at all times /N. But what really sets this camera apart is its advanced video capabilities /N, including support for 10-bit 4:2 color, which results in cinematic quality footage /N. Rehook. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive deeper into the camera's features and see why it's a game changer. One of the standout features of the Fujifilm X-E5 is its vari-angle touchscreen LCD /N, which makes it easy to compose shots from unusual angles /N. But what I love most about this feature is that it also allows for smooth video recording /N. Resolution. Now, let's get to the 3 things you need to know about this camera /N. Firstly, its autofocus system is incredibly fast and accurate /N, which means you can capture sharp images even in busy environments /N. Secondly, its advanced video capabilities make it a great choice for filmmakers /N, with support for 10-bit 4:2 color and 4K resolution at up to 30p /N. Lastly, its vari-angle touchscreen LCD makes it easy to compose shots from unusual angles /N. But what I think is most impressive about this camera is that it's incredibly affordable /N, with a price point that's significantly lower than many other mirrorless cameras on the market /N. Rehook. So, are you ready to take your photography game to the next level with the Fujifilm X-E5 /N? In conclusion, if you're in the market for a new camera that can keep up with your busy lifestyle /N, I highly recommend giving the Fujifilm X-E5 a try /N. For the best price, click the link in the description.